Hi everyone and welcome back to Homemade Chef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'll be sharing my recipe with you on how to make jalapeno pickled eggs. Now if you're into spicy foods and pickled eggs, this is the perfect recipe for you. Simple to make, really delicious. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now this recipe is going to yield a dozen eggs. So if you need more, double, triple, etc. Before this, we are going to need a dozen eggs, 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, 2 jalapeños sliced. I went with 3 because I like it a little bit spicier. We're also going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorn and a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seed. First thing we're going to do is hard boil our eggs. Now how I like to do this, I like to take my eggs, put them in the bowl. The pot, not the bowl. We're going to fill this so the eggs are covered about 1 inch with cold water. I'm going to set this on the stove, turn it up to a boil. Once it boils, we're going to shut it off. We're going to put a lid on it and let them sit for 10 minutes. Now inside a medium saucepan, we're going to boil our vinegar, our water, and our salt. Now in our mason jar, we're going to go in with our jalapeños. Those in there. Our peppercorns, our mustard seed, bay leaf, and take our garlic, crush it a little bit, throw that in there, and we're going to wait for our mixture to be done. Once our vinegar mixture comes to a boil, we're going to take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now once these are done, we're going to get them off the heat. We're going to strain them and run them under cold water as quick as we can. We want to get the temperature down rapidly because if not, that's when you get that greenish ring around the outside. Our eggs are cool. We're going to crack them. I'll show you the way I like to. You get the top, bottom, give it a roll, and they are a bit messy, but it comes apart real easily. Now we're going to take these and start putting them in our jar. Our eggs are in a jar. We're going to fill it up with our liquid till they're completely covered. Just like so. Put the lid on. Screw it down finger tight. We're going to set these in the fridge for a week and let them pickle, and then we'll get a taste. Alright guys, well these have been marinating for a week. It's time to give them a taste. Luckily for you, it's only a few seconds. But these things smell like jalapeños. Got an egg here. Has a very nice color on it. Let's cut into it and see how deep it went. Not too bad. But let's give this a taste. This hard-boiled eggs are perfectly done. Pretty good. A little bit of heat, nothing too crazy. It's not sweet. The egg's perfectly done. Now you can do this with chicken eggs, quail eggs, and even duck eggs. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Love you. We'll see you next time.